I manam lay Veronica aung si na mas ukrul day niyo ko magi just Jenny alam lay that girl Veronica. Mari sige jaga sila ngayong mani hay minute si jaga. Oh my god. Hi. How are you doing?
I'm good.
First of all, we'll have some breakfast first, right?
Yeah, coffee. We'll
Coffee.
drink coffee and then we'll head out.
Okay. Do you have coffee?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino?
Normal coffee, a little sweet. I want
Okay. So you just order 2. Yeah, we'll visit some place. Because if we go to Chandni Chowk, right, we will get most of the street food over there because the Chandni Chowk is good for is popular for street food.
Have you gone to Chandni Chowk?
Yeah, I've been there.
No, I haven't gone there.
But there will be lots of people looking at you like, oh, who's this? Who's this? But don't get scared. Veronica. Okay. Veronica se masi ukrul day ni mo ka. Aduna masi Manipuri ako'y Meitei lon se masi kang bakra wat le mo ka. Wali 좀 sanala masi adum alay budi kange aduga yam kana lu budi masi ang gyan tataga ka. Ado 짝짜라 봐.
짜네.
어이 짝짜라 봐. ado nang je sumay na hype di kang ba ko'y look habirable. Look habirable.
What's that?
Look habirable is same as like 짝짜라보. Okay, like in a very formal way. In all time we used to say look habirable like that. Okay, but
Okay.
짝짜라보.
Meitei long na nga. Okay.
Meitei lon nga si ko. Nang ngi yung ukul din ni ko.
Hoy.
Ado nang Manipur ako'y Imphal di lakpa.
Imphal the Imphal the company we feel it.
Pambane, not that labine. Imphal labor.
Imphal the labor do with I can't see him actually.
Do you know any place from in Imphal? Like nang Kangbra Imphal ki jaga.
No, we stay in Imphal.
You stay in Imphal only? Okay,
Imphal
where?
from there, do Tangkul Avenue da.
Tangkul Avenue the from ko.
Right. And I never go home, so
Okay. You've been here in Delhi for quite long. That means.
since class 1 I was in Shillong, class 1 to 10.
Okay.
Duga 11, 12 graduation Delhi da.
Delhi da to buka. Doon ni Manipur do pangan lay te banang si ko. Family na dum pulap lay da si Delhi da.
Right.
Family na dum adun na ni Manipur kang di siya. Ako Meitei don kang di siya.
Meitei, I don't even have Meitei friends.
Okay. So, am I the first guy?
I have 1, 2.
Okay,
Just
okay.
because I went to Manipur and I joined Miss Spring.
Okay.
Because of Miss Spring, I met some friends.
Okay.
And you're the next second.
Okay. Ado mase aina nga sibuk thengna pado koi nupida hai tare ko. Mase camera the wangang bado mai am strong way ko mase koi gi kai tare mase Chandni Chowk tawjik chattoi ni music ado nupi hai ne hai ga koi gi ki bado koi ki ja bado ma phau de ba kaso ado ma Sorojini de junan Sorojini you made a video in Sorojini, right? Yeah, you were looking so confident over there and it is good.
Thank you.
Chalo say today. Okay. Good. Ako'y chale labi yore ako'y si jaga se am phagam ne sai jaga se.
Eating destination in Chandni Chowk, and we're just going to find some place to park the bike. And it was so crowded, so be careful to travel safe and wear comfortable clothes because you don't want to get irritated in this kind of place.
No, it's fine. It's locked. See? Ako'y music yaure. Chandni Chowk ta. Ada sondale do. असम नाकन लई परेंग से सिदने कोई स्टाफ चतुई छि हजिक लाए या मा बसा दुई छि कई नु खंगे खोइना What do you want to have first? Aloo paratha. You want to have aloo paratha first?
Yes, आलू पराठा.
आलू पराठा भैया कौन सा है?
आलू पराठा है. एक मिनट होल्ड.
जगह अभी मिलेंगे जगह. What this thing? Faluda. Yeah. This one is faluda. You want to have this one?
Later, no,
The sweet later we will have. Okay. Ako yung chole bhature साथ रहे. Two ना?
भैया एक दिन में 2 पूरी आता है ना? I made him need one so that
Okay. Where is it?
मिलेगा तो दे देगा. हम लोग तो नहीं देता.
Tak lama bang. Pemerintah ni bani kem saja yang siang. Nanti kopi matang satu deh. Bayar. Nara uzik mais lista ke, moving ke. Yeah.
the softest.
Wow bro. Nó hàng nó sáng rồi bukan aja. Boleh berdiri ya. Boleh berdiri.
Speaking of cheese,
Paneer.
there's like paneer, bits of paneer inside the chole bhature. It's so yummy. So, paneer.
Oh my god. Saban lui đi, ako'y toge. How was it?
It was so yummy, the fluffiest bhature.
But what? So what should we eat next?
Next, are you full? We just had one.
We will eat something light, like golgappe or something like that.
So, what is that?
This is paneer,
Paneer.
fresh. I think this. I think.
भैया क्या बुलाया? क्या था अभी? चिंगचोंग बोला आपने? चिंगचोंग बोला है ना भैया? आपको भी नाम बुलाओ.
चलो.
चिंचों कर लियो.
I think this. I think. Calling you like what?
चिंगचोंग.
Chingchong.
I got so pissed. I nearly fought.
Hojiki kangu tu na kayo tore. Chingchong kore.
Harassment is started now.
Chingchong kore si jaga je kara sathi ne ado. Hojik sundat na baya de. We should not fight. We are cool.
Sino kayo? Let me eat Kofi now.
How is it?
Yum how eh?
Yum how Ako yung si Saba loyaga si Pida Salani. Si Pida kay sana kay pangayan ga. Ako yung si Pida yung yore. Si Pida kay pangayan ni. Nang kay tani nga. Golgappe tani nga. Chuski tani nga. Chuski ka golgappe ka tige ko yung si Pida. Lao di tani. May chapi kuan mo ko. Ano do kasi chapi ke. Ready?
चलेगा नहीं कम 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 कुछ नहीं चलेगा कम
Oi, Sipida, dagi hena sad hai, moi lo kemte yolam re, poche yamta, ado akoi zik keno chalani. Chane kya puri?
What? Momo?
Yeah, momo, the tandoori momo na. Let's check out over there. I think we'll get there. Sigi jaga sina. What's the name of the place?
Janakpuri.
No, Chanakyapuri. Chanakya.
Oh yeah, Janakpuri.
Oi, Chanakyapuri gi si yes fun place habagam haibago. Sida moi gi kay momo kai. Adagi poche how ba thangeba ko. Somna kan di situ. The tandoori momo tandoori gi momo sa se aaye mana. Ado tandoori momo thige. Momos. वह तंदूरी मोमो है क्या? कहाँ पे? Punjabi one. They are saying it's there. Yeah.
Janakpuri now at just one palace to eat tandoori momo. To eat.
चिकन तंदूरी मोमो खाने के लिए बोलो
So I'm at Janakpuri at just one palace, right? Just one?
Just one palace.
Just one palace to eat tandoori momo. I'm so excited.
Start. It seems like you don't like it.
This is weird.
Weird. Let me taste.
I'm dry away.
Dry it away.
I'm dry away. I wanted more tandoori sauce.
Okay. You want to put this one?
How do you make it tandoori sauce?
How tia? Mana how tia je? Ay chung thinking.
To be honest, the momo isn't that tasty. I felt like a bit dry. It's also so dry. It's like fried momo, not tandoori momo. Yeah. So spicy. Ciao.
Keno, shikanji.
Next time, we should go to
Where?
West Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know some place? Ako yung last one na cold noodle sani mo ngam sado na mo ina sado mo ngam bijage ako yung video number ay mo hen sa ti tetay da How is it? Spicy.
No, not spicy at all.
What then? The taste is good or what?
Garlic taste is there, no? I think that one's full already.
Last one.
Your last nigga. Your last nigga. Your last nigga. Your last nigga. Your last nigga.
Manipuri.
I was talking to him in Manipuri.
Manipuri yung jalebi mayang yun na bayan. Yeah. I outro call me I'm sorry de. I can do hujiki man bido Veronica do magi channel am nai bene. Kano dead girl Veronica and go. Ado magi follow to bio description no makada hapake. Good night.